What's up everyone, Justin here, and today we're going to be opening up this fresh booster box of VSTAR Universe. I'm happy to open up this VSTAR Universe box. This is the last set of Sword and Shield as we move into Scarlet and Violet. This set specifically is considered a high class set. If you're not familiar with that, essentially it's one of those end of the year or holiday special sets. Typically in Japanese booster boxes you'll get about 20 packs, comes with 5 cards. In high class sets, normally we get 10 packs with 10 cards, and in some booster boxes you'll get like what they call a god pack, which is like could be special art cards, could be like trainer cards, special artwork cards. So my hope is today is to get my hands on a god pack, but if not, just want to see what kind of cards I can get in here. So without further ado, let's just open our booster box and see what we have in here. So this set came out late in 2022, specifically around December time. And like I mentioned, this is the last Sword and Shield set. We will be getting the first Scarlet and Violet set sometime this year. Actually, there's actually a Japanese Scarlet and Violet set that just came out recently, so I'm looking forward to opening that or get my hands on at least on one of them. So as you see here, we have 10 packs here. Let's see what we have. Got my sleeves, and wish me luck. Okay, first pack. Ooh. Japanese packs tend to be harder to open compared to the English ones. Not sure why, but yeah. Okay, I don't think there's no trick here, so let's just kind of go through it. Swablu, Gianna, Rock, Gardenia, Spiritomb, Friends of Sinnoh. Okay, we got our Sinister V, Rita, Miltank. Ooh, that's a nice energy card. I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but that's some really nice hollow energy card. So I'll sleeve this one specifically. Keep it protected. All right. Next set. So typically I collect Japanese cards. If you're not following on my TikTok, I open a lot of Japanese cards, or at least get Japanese singles. Reason why is I think it's just interesting to see how the original Pokemon. Ooh, got lost in the conversation. So we got our first art rare. This is a Hisuian Voltorb. This is really nice. Okay, we got our VSTAR Palkia, Magnezone, and a VSTAR Tomb trainer card. All right. I'm gonna sleeve these. So I was saying, I like to collect Japanese cards just because that I just like how Pokemon, at least the TCG, the trading card game, excuse me, how they initially thought about this set. So, plus I think some of the style of the card, I think is way better than the English ones. But going into this next set for Scarlet and Violet, it's going to look exactly like the Japanese cards. So I might start collecting English cards again. At least it'll be easier to pick up, because these cards tend to get these imported here into the States. So we got Leafeon V. Oh, we got our Charizard, Radiant Charizard, and a nice little holographic or reverse holo Thievul. A lot of people who collect has been recently collecting Pokemon cards, especially on this generation, are not fond of Charizard, but Charizard was still my first Pokemon, and when I started playing the game, so it has this little special place in my heart. All right, pack number 4. So with this set, I'm looking for specifically some gold cards that's on the set. They're specifically the legendary Pokemon from Pokemon Pearl and Diamond. So we got Hisuian V-Star. Oh, this is my secret rare. So normally in Japanese boxes, you get one secret rare. I see it donated here, this SR. I can't, the camera can pick it up. Yeah, it won't pick it up. So you get one per box. And I was really aiming for getting the Friends of Hisui or the Friends of Sinnoh full art card. But I got the boss's orders, which is nice. It's a nice card. Not the card I'm looking for, but we still have a shot on getting a gold card, because those are considered ultra rares, and you may get those plus with your secret rares. So Aurora, Refuge Steel, Riolu, Dark Patch, Magma Basin. Ooh, look at this. Look at this art rare. Oh. It's not getting the focus. There we go. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is my special artwork one. So this is my, in this set you get a special, you may get an SAR, which is a special art rare. In this case, this is our Hatterene VMAX. This is a really nice card. I didn't realize this is a, didn't really think that was a special art rare, special art rare card. Ooh, can't say that 10 times fast. All right, so we're getting some decent hits here. Again, with gold cards, you may get one in your booster box. That's not guaranteed. So we just hope that we can get one. Roxanne, Choice Belt, Kricketune, Regigigas V, Zero Arc, the Barrel, Soul Rock. It's not too bad. The Regigigas in here. All right. Pack number 6. Let's see if we can get a gold card. Come on, come on. Ooh, Moltres V, Nancy, Professor's Research. And I forgot that trainer card. I'm sure it'll come to mind when I keep pulling cards, but Moltres V is not too bad. Okay. Pack number 8. Let's see what we can get out of this. Please, more art rares, special art rares, some gold cards. Giratina V-Star. Okay. Oops. And Latias. Reverse hollow. Okay. Not too bad. Pack number 9. Come on. Come on. Let's see if we can get out of here. See if we can get our luck turned around. Bubble Ball, Fan, Ultra Ball. Ooh, this Art Rare Moltres V, or not a V, but regular Moltres. Palkia V, Terra, Lucario. Typically I don't sleeve Japanese hollows, but Lucario can be the exception and will be the exception here. So I'm gonna sleeve up this one, as well as this Giratina VSTAR, which is a nice little texture to it. Okay, last one, last pack magic. Let's see, and we get a gold card here. And we get a gold card. Okay, Oricorio, Parasect, Rhyhorn, Vacuum, Zoroark VSTAR, Galarian Articuno. Okay. And Turbo Energy. Alright. Alright, let's do a quick recap. Alright, so these are the hits from our VSTAR Universe box. So we got our Lucario, our Fire Energy, Hollow, Regigigas V, Galarian Moltres V, Leafeon V, Hisuian Samurott VSTAR, Hisuian Zoroark VSTAR. You got your Origin Form Palkia VSTAR, Origin Form Giratina VSTAR. We got our Hisuian Voltorb Alt Rare, Galarian Moltres Art Rare, Diancie Art Rare. We got our Radiant Charizard, a Hatterene VMAX, a special art rare, and lastly our Boss's Orders Secret Rare. And that's it for the VSTAR Universe booster box. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think of the hits? Are they good, decent, just okay? Also, let me know what kind of boxes you want me to break next. I'm hoping to get my hands on the Crown Zenith booster box, as well as some other Japanese cards. But until then, see you next time.